50,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए। नाउ ऑन टू 75। मैं रुकने वाली तो हूं नहीं, तो जो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है उस पर क्लिक करें एंड दैट बेल आइकन नेक्स्ट टू इट। जैसे ही नया रिव्यू आएगा सबसे पहली नोटिफिकेशन विल कम टू यू ओनली यार। सेकंड टाइम ट्रैवल स्लैश लूप फिल्म इन 1 year फॉर तापसी। दोनों अडेप्टेशन, तापसी सेकंड रीमेक ऑफ एन ओरियल पाउलो फिल्म, अनआयरॉनिकली टाइटल्ड दोबारा। Hey all, my name is Acharita. This is my channel. You're watching a movie review, and today we're talking about Anurag Kashyap, Dobara. An official adaptation of the Spanish film Mirage. Taapsee Pannu is Antara, who works as a nurse, and she's also a mother to a young girl. She's in a seemingly happy marriage with Vikas, the very picture of a young, nuclear, happy family. They move into a new home next door to a childhood friend, and right on cue, eerie things begin to occur, leading to the truth of this marriage to come out. A forgotten murder investigation is opened up, and Antara is jolted awake into realizing her self-worth, because that's never a bad idea. Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap make for a good team. Of the inexplicable high number of movies she has just recently added to her filmography, her as Rumi from Man Marziya remains my favorite. Written by Kanika Dhillon, there was finally a part which saw the actor for what she was capable of delivering, and Anurag Kashyap enabled and emboldened her to fire on all cylinders. Man Marziya was complex and beautiful, with so much going for it. The emergence of Vicky Kaushal, return of Abhishek Bachchan, and the second best music album of the year, because Laila Majnu also came out that year and that was the best one. Don't even try to change my mind. Anyway, my point is that since then, Taapsee Pannu films have seemed to pick one trait of an uncomplicated character and asked her to run with it. Pun not intended. Barring Haseen Dilruba, where her good performance suffered due to an obvious lack of rhythm between direction and writing, in Dobara, I believe I have once again, Dobara, gotten to witness an actor who hasn't made a mistake trusting a director entirely. Time loop movies are fun. Akash Bhatia's Loop Lapeta earlier this year might have been the zaniest I have seen, really exploring what the genre can achieve, having a blast with the material in an Indian context. Dobara is also fun, but in a more escape room kind of way. See, because tonally you're made to feel what's playing out is a horror movie, complete with a young kid riding a bike wearing a red raincoat in pouring rain. There's found footage, old-timey technology brought back to life, a dead child, an unsolved murder, abandoned house with broken windows, darkness. Before you know it, this Nihit Bhave adaptation then skillfully pivots towards time loop thriller, fully abandoning the horror but latching firmly onto the new genre before letting go. It's very smooth. I will say here though, the songs most certainly threatened to sink this boat over and over again. Let go of the songs. You don't have to sing to me that her heart is hurting in slow motion because something has happened that you've just shown us. Dikh raha hai. Stay mysterious, na. Don't explain yourself to me. I'm in it specifically for the intrigue.
मतलब मैंने पास में जाके पास बदल दिया, इसकी वजह से प्रेजेंट बदल गया.
The title of the film is Wordplay. Antara sees a boy in a TV set at 2:12 and starts talking with him a little too calmly, TBH. Any regular person would have had a straight up mental breakdown in that moment. But hey, if you can offset the cheesy and bizarre with more rain and more thunder, throwing in a brand new angle to an unsolved decades-old murder, I'll take it. I'm here for it. Writing about time travel without loopholes, I imagine, is a fuck all task. You're making a world as you go, which doesn't quite abide by the laws of life as we know it. What happens in creating new rules or a fake universe is that they give rise to questions, and an inquisitive mind will ask. Unless you're providing answers to every last loophole, self-creating itself as a chain reaction, your story stands the risk of falling apart. On this parameter, one of the timelines does have a gaping time travel error, which I can't quite disclose here, but I will say it's in the second timeline and has to do with Antara's professional choices as a single woman. If you manage to pick out what I'm talking about, यहाँ बताना आके comments में. Even if I wanted to give a spoiler here, कोई फायदा नहीं होना है, because time travel सब लिखने वाले अपने खुद के rules से लिखते हैं. एक law नहीं होता उसका, तो देखना पड़ेगा to understand context. I really do love this stuff. Taapsee Pannu is just what this film needs her to be. She's a woman figuring out many roles all at once, having forgotten herself underneath it all. Forced to reckon with the reality that could have been hers if she had tried. Talented and adequately disheveled looking Rahul Bhatt as Vikas is a worthy co-actor for her to lean on to deliver a performance capable enough to carry the movie as a lead. Rahul Bhatt is also ridiculously attractive, man. Why don't we see him in more things? Pavel Gulati on screen with Taapsee, Dobara. Sorry, I can't stop myself. After Thappad, the character given to him is a little whiny and the lightest part in the film, if I may say so. Sorry. While consequential to solving of the final riddle, his arc takes the longest to develop and fall into place, by which time you've pretty much guessed at least one major twist coming up, rendering his cop character a little, well, light. Also terribly unexciting is the neighbor played by Shashwata Chatterjee, who's supposed to be the holder of all secrets, but the only thing you're told about his personality is that he's Bengali. The rest of the intrigue building is left to the actor to generate. It helps that he's a pretty great performer and he doesn't let the character slide away from him, but you can't help but miss a better adversary. Look, Dobara is not Anurag Kashyap at his grittiest or even most nihilistic. Sure, you can't expect him to be churning out gangs of Wasseypur and Bombay Velvet with regards to scale one after the other, but this has the vibe of a movie he worked on in his spare time in between two more involved projects. Is that a bad thing? Not at all. The end product is a fun time at the movies, barring the one plot hole I mentioned above. Please jaldi se dekh kar aana so we can discuss it.
तुम्हारा माइंड इधर उधर फैले डार्ट्स जोड़ रहा है.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, Dobara is 26 years ka time jump. Mane you go back 26 years, which you realize was the mid-90s, which now officially qualifies as a different era. Nothing, I'm 34. Anyway, before you leave, please click on that red subscribe button and then the bell next to it. She-Hulk का review देखा कल डाला था. देखो चलो भी डालती हूँ मैं end screen पर. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.